All right, 10th graders. Hope you're doing okay today. I hope you have power. It's kind of an interesting day, kind of warm out there. All right, this is what we're doing today. We are going to spend today in this explore phase. We're going to stay in this explore phase through the weekend. And then we'll spend a day next week choosing a topic. And then another day next week sort of gathering more evidence about that topic. But right now, today, we're just going to explore. And I want to underscore a couple of things. Number one, see this kind of silly graphic? Explore is down the bottom, precisely because it's a time when you're kind of aimless, when you really don't know what you're about to find and what you're looking for. So if you're feeling stressed and confused about not really knowing where you are, that's because we are in this place that is really boundary free, which can be disorienting. So today, in this explore phase, you're really going to start by exploring this tab. I mean, you can go to the internet if you want and find your own connections to Under the Feet of Jesus. But this web page set up by the librarian has most of the stuff, if not all the stuff you need. It's got this opposing viewpoints database where you can look at two different sides of a particular issue. It's got this global issues database. It's got website suggestions down here. It's got personal stories over here. It's got videos down here. Now I should say that these are full-length videos. So these are like, full-on movies. They might be worth taking a little sample of. It's got sort of questions that you should be asking about your sources. And while you're exploring these various topics, you're going to use this inquiry log. And it looks like this. The inquiry log is a page in your inquiry journal. You have to scroll down to get to it. In fact, you're going to have to scroll past. That's not what I'm looking for. You're going to have to scroll past. So this is your inquiry journal. This is the prompt that you did yesterday, or the series of prompts that you worked on yesterday. And this section, understand that it's optional. This section is really only for you if you come across a good idea and you really want to stick with it for today. Then this is a good place to keep track of it because it's source-based, and then you can jot down a lot of notes. Our recommendation, however, is to hold off on doing such a thing. Right now, it's really just optional. Our recommendation would be to use the inquiry log today. Okay? And in week 1, which is this week, we're just doing the exploring. And down here, if you explore a film or you explore a personal narrative, you'll put that information right down here. Okay? If you think it might be worth using, you're going to put an exclamation point here. Hopefully, everything you see today might be worth using. If you actually take a dip into it and you swim around for a while, then put an X. But only put an X if you spend some time with it and get to know it. Also part of week 1 is stuff over here. We want you to include various things that you think about and ways by which, hold on, there's some noise outside. The street sweep is coming through the neighborhood. So down here, put some notes about what makes it useful. And when we say useful, we mean what makes it interesting to you? What makes it thought-provoking to you? What about it makes you curious? So that's what we want you to put right here. Anything in this column for week 2, that's next week. That's in the gather phase, when we're going to look more closely at some of the sources that we explore today. Right now, you're just grabbing stuff off the shelf. Next week, you're going to closely examine some of those items. All right. I hope that helps. You're going to be on the Explore tab today. The link is on Classroom. And The Zoom link will be open. I'll be working a bit with the Link students today. And if you're a Bobcat in your home and you want to Zoom in and ask a question, feel free. Otherwise, I will see you this afternoon. Ta-ta.